Grab some leftover yarn and your favorite needles and let's knit these cozy autumn mushrooms. This mushroom was knitted with 3mm needles, and these two with 2.5mm needles. Cast on 5 stitches using your preferred cast-on method. I use the long tail cast-on, join to work in the round. Video how to knit using the magic loop method. Round 1, knit 5 stitches. Round 2, knit 1, make 1 left, repeat 5 times, minus 10 stitches. Rounds 3 to 17, knit 10 stitches. Pull the yarn tail through the 5 remaining stitches, pull tight to close, fasten off, and hide the end inside. Stuff the mushroom as you knit. Round 18, knit 1, make 1 left, repeat 10 times, minus 20 stitches. Round 19, knit 20 stitches. Round 20, knit 2, make 1 left, repeat 10 times, minus 30 stitches. Round 21, knit 30 stitches. Change the yarn of the mushroom stem to the yarn of the cap. Round 22, knit 30 stitches. Round 23, purl 30 stitches. Rounds 20 for 226, knit 30 stitches. Round 27, knit to together, knit 3, repeat 6 times, minus 20 for stitches. Round 28, knit 20 for stitches. Round 29, knit 1, knit to together, knit 1, repeat 6 times, minus 18 stitches. Round 30, knit 18 stitches. Round 31, knit to together, knit 1, repeat 6 times, minus 12 stitches. Round 32, knit to together, repeat 6 times, minus 6 stitches. Break the yarn, leaving a 10 to 15 centimeters tail. Thread the yarn through the remaining 6 stitches, pull tight to close, secure, and weave in the end.